Ahem! A growling voice stirred Goldie from her soupy siesta. She looked up to see 3 bears glaring down at her. "Why did you eat all of Mama's soup?" asked the little voice. Realizing she was being awakened by 3 bears, Goldie quickly jumped to her feet and responded, because, um, it, it tasted, amazing. I'm so sorry, but I couldn't help myself. Why, thank you, said Mama Bear. It's the family's recipe. You can have a copy of it. Buddy, go inside and get it for our guest. The baby bear went into the cottage, but Goldie was too terrified to stick around. 3 bears? Pretty scary. Goldie did what any normal person would do when surrounded by a family of bears. She bolted into the forest like an Olympic sprinter. "Wait!" called Buddy, holding up his mama's recipe and running after her. "You forgot this!" Buddy managed to catch up with Goldie, and because he was just one little bear and not so scary, she stopped. "Here," said the panting Buddy. "Here's the recipe. Mama wants you to have it." Goldie looked at the recipe and held it as if it were made of golden eggshells. "Thank you," she whispered. Then she patted Buddy on the head very carefully and headed off into the woods. Now don't go thinking that Goldilocks just took that recipe for Mama's tasty tortilla soup and built a successful business all for herself. Goldie isn't that sort of chef. Anytime you pass by Mama Goldie's tasty bowls at the mall, take a closer look. Up on the wall, you'll see Goldie's business partners, Mama, Papa, and Buddy, proudly staring down. Mama Goldie's tasty bowls was a spicy success because Goldie returned to that cottage in the woods with a dream and a business plan. The end. Now you are going to go to the next slide and you are going to summarize the story using Somebody Wanted But Then So.